If you're overworked, underpaid, or just tired of your time belonging to someone else, then you're in the right place. See, I believe that people deserve more freedom: time freedom, money freedom, just life freedom, including you. I believe you should be able to take your family on vacation without asking your boss or your bank account for permission. And for most of us, the most practical path to that freedom is a simple online business that can earn around the clock. Even while you're not working, the system is. My name is Tim, and I started Future Freedom because I learned this the hard way. I spent years at a corporate desk job before I realized that it was a life of very little freedom. I worked weekends and holidays without overtime. I became a top performer only to earn a 22-cent raise. And then, right before the holidays, after months of what seemed like stability, we learned that half the company was being laid off, effective immediately. So I lost my team and my paycheck all without warning. And I realized that I was living on a leash, that I didn't know what to do without the stability of a job and a paycheck. So I resolved to find a way to earn income independently so that I wouldn't be relying on a single income source. And it wasn't smooth. I tried an agency and failed. I tried Twitter and failed. And I tried YouTube and I failed that too. But I kept going, and one morning I woke up to a $400 commission that had come in that night while I was asleep. So it wasn't luck, it was leverage. So now I could start to see that the system that I had built was starting to pay off, and I knew that the potential here was huge. So I started Future of Freedom to help you build your system without the noise, without the gimmicks, and without the gatekeeping. You get practical education, the exact tools that we actually use, and a community to keep you consistent. No MLMs, no BizOps, no guaranteed income claims, just clear steps to start, launch, and grow your business. And I'll be honest, it isn't easy. It takes commitment and discipline. Anyone can do this, but not everyone will. The question is, are you willing to commit? And if you're willing to do the work, you'll be surprised at what you can build when you focus. Now, I'm on a mission to help 1,000 people build an online business that creates more freedom in their life. Whether you're turning a hobby into a side hustle or a side hustle into a business, I want to help you get there. So if that sounds like you, join the Future of Freedom VIP community. Introduce yourself, watch the quick start video, and take your first step today. It's completely free to join, and you can do that with the link underneath this video. You deserve more freedom, and an online business is the best vehicle to make that happen. I'm here to help you build yours so that you can build your future of freedom. I'll see you inside.